Hello everyone, myself Suraj Kumar Gupta. I have a teaching experience of 8 years. Being a teacher, I have tried to publish my book as from my teaching materials. I need to understand how this process will be. So I have searched so many websites that and I have found that this is a very complicated, very time-taking and very costly process. But today here I am in the InkSight Publication, and today I will show you that how this process is not complicated, and how I will show you this is not a costly process, and also this is not going to take your time too much. So I will show you publishing a book live so that you can understand the process step by step. First of all, we have to understand what are the important things which are required to start publishing. So I'm going to show you on the screen. This is a folder in which I have kept manuscript, author's bio, book description and my profile pictures. These are required during publishing process. So let's go to the website of InkSight Publication. Here we are, and clicking on the first link on the search, and now we are at website. Now I'm going to log in because I have already signed up, and sign up is also very easy process. You can use your Google account to signing up, and I'm going to sign in with the Google account. Selecting my Gmail account. Now once again I'm at the home page of the website, and now I'm going to in author dashboard. So here we are in author dashboard. Now I'm going to click on start new book. The book title I have to add, so I'm going to open my book description file, in which I have already mentioned the title of the book, mini book on financial literacy. Book title. Next is subtitle, the building your financial knowledge step by step. So this is the first step of submitting your manuscript. So this is subtitle. Now I'm going to copy whole things, the book description. Here it is. Now the category of this book is academic, language English, format I am interested in ebook only. The paper size is A5. The total pages in this book is 69. Clicking on save and continue. Now I am in second step, author details, author's name, then email ID, then mobile number, place, choose your file related to author's photo. This is to be selected. Next is biography. So biography file is also there. This is author's biography file, and I have already written my bio related to this book only. Copy it, then paste it. Next is contributor details. Contributor details means the co-authors. I don't have any co-authors with this book, so I'm just skipping this and save and continue. Now in the third step, manuscript setup. So it is asking for upload your manuscript. So there are two options, ready manuscript or handwritten manuscript. So I have ready manuscript, which is in PDF format. So I'm clicking on this and clicking on the manuscript file, and it is uploaded. Okay, so then you can go to the next step by save and continue. Now we are in the fourth step, cover design. In cover design, it is asking for two sections, like upload your cover or hire InkSight. So I'm interested in professional cover design, so I'm hiring InkSight. Clicking on this. Next is save and continue. This is marketplace, so I have to set some marketplace, means target audience. Clicking on academic readers, professionals, general readers, and this is not for the competitive exam, so I'm skipping this. And next is other audience, like engineering students. I have already told you that this book is for engineering students. And keywords is I have already added this, finance, literacy, economy, money, investment, etc. So these are the keywords for this book, and we can go to the next step. Next step is promotional add-on. In promotional add-on, we can list our book on a various social media, but I am interested in only Instagram promotions for a week. So I am selecting this only, then save and continue. Then last, I think this is step 7. This is last. I don't have copyright. It is asking for, do you have any copyright? So the status is, I want copyright registration handled by ISP. I need ISBN, so I am going to select InkSight will provide, means it is also free of cost from ISP. So everything is fine. Now I'm going to the next step. This is not a step actually, this is the review and royalty calculated here, and you can see all the details that I have filled are being shown here. Okay, so the minimum selling price for my book is 49, means I cannot put MRP below this. So I am going to fix the price 149 so that I can earn some royalty. 74.50 is my royalty once a book will be sold. And now this is pre-publishing cost estimate. Editing cost is 1242. Cover design cost is 499. Publishing mode cost is 345, means the manuscript which is I have submitted, it will be converted into the ebook format. And next is distribution and promotion, 499 rupees. And the total cost is 3050 rupees. Payable now. The advance payment is 20% to start work and remaining 80% payable before publishing. So 610 rupees is to be paid so that the publishing process can be started. Okay, so I have to declare this checkbox. The third checkbox is very important, and I have received a OTP on my Gmail 792,674. So I'm just copy it and paste it here, verify the code, and it has been verified successfully. Now I have to pay 610. So here the payment dashboard. I'm going to pay using QR code. Payment has been done. Now I am redirecting towards, let's see what we are going to see. Okay, now we are at my author dashboard. Now I am going to see my manuscript that I have recently submitted, mini book on financial literacy. So I am going to track the stages. So the publisher is going to look after my manuscript submitted, which are like editorial screening and plagiarism, and then editing and formatting, and then I think my role will start from here, like review my manuscript after formatting and editing, and then I have to give the feedback, and then exterior design also I have to give the review feedback, and then I will get ISBN, then balance payment is to be done, and then the production will start, and finally my book will be published. So you can see that we can publish our book only in 7 steps, and this is not complicated process, and this is not costly process, and this is not a time consuming process. Thank you.